Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today instead of our normal cooking show, kind of doing a taste test, but I gotta cook it, so that's why I'm doing it. Alright, well, here we go. I got to pick this up at Walmart. It's a Marketside Savory Breakfast Pizza, so I figured I'd cook this up, see how it is. So let's get this out and give it a try. Okay guys, we're going to open this up here and put it on the thing. Alright, I got my here. Got the oven preheating at 375 like the instructions. Alright. Slide that off, get the cardboard off. Alright, I'm going to go put this in the oven as soon as it gets done preheating, and then we'll see you in, let's see here, about 20 minutes. Alright, here we go. Ooh, guys, it is ready. Let's pull this thing out. There we go. Gosh, that looks good, doesn't it? Alright. Let me let this cool for a little bit. Then we'll cut it open and give it a good taste of it. Okay, guys. Got this cooled down a little bit. We're gonna cut into it and see how it tastes. So I'm gonna this one. We'll cut you on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the thing here. Probably be better to do it in squares, but I kind of like doing it this way. Alright, let's see here. Go ahead and grab this piece right here. Set it over here. There we go. That looked good. Alright, well, let's give this a try here. Let's see if yeah, okay, let's give this a try here. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so good. With the biscuit dough crust, and you got the sausage gravy, eggs and cheese, and the sausage. Just runs so good together. It's full of flavor. I highly recommend this one. So if you haven't had this, again is the Savory Breakfast Pizza by Marketside and Walmart refrigerated section. So give this a try, guys. Alright, comment down below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Take time to subscribe to my channel, and check out some of my other videos. I do taste test cooking videos like this, and some adventure videos, sightseeing videos. So I'll see you guys later, and enjoy the rest of your day here. Mm.